Good morning, y'all. Well, we are picking beans today. Let me slow down and turn you around. I am under the cattle panel, and look at all these green beans hanging. Those are beautiful green beans. And we've got this many plus that many more in the other pail. So we'll bring you back when we're done and show you what we ended up with. Okay, y'all, this is what we ended up with for today's picking, but there's gonna be plenty more in the next probably 2 days. So we'll bring you back. Good morning, y'all. James and I have something to show you and to tell you something we found out about the loofah gourds.
Hello, y'all. Yeah, we found a few more loofah gourd here. If you look here, and they're starting to grow really, really well. They're sticking out. I think there's 13 or 14 of them now. We found a few of them. Now, she's gonna walk through there. Lady.
Look how crazy this one looks. It's all twisted up. But look how big those are in such a short amount of time.
Now the reason I found out is they're starting to grow so well right now is because the summertime it said that the vines get strong, but they never started producing until the temperature has to change at night, at least 14 degrees from the daytime.
Cooler.
Cooler, right. And then they will start producing, and I just found another one right above your head, just started yawning since yesterday. It's got the flower on it.
I'm not seeing it.
It's right above the wire. It has the only flower right there. You find the flower, you'll find the gourd.
Oh, I see it. It's right there.
Got two more out here yesterday. One's real small, you won't be able to see that one. Then you got another one right above your head here on a flower. I can't reach them, too short. Oh.
I'm not seeing it, but that's okay.
It's right here on this side.
Now, with these big ones here, this one's starting to turn brown. And from what I'm reading, that's normal. They have to turn brown. And before you peel them. See, that one's starting to turn brown too. So, that is our update on our loofahs.
And one more thing.
What's that?
I talked to a guy the other day that stopped by, and he knew what these were.
Okay, guys. It's about that there time that we take out these two sunflowers. They're done. And we're going to start cutting some of these down. The ones that are dying off. We're going to take these out. These are the cosmos that died. And then over here, we've got the cosmos that got their second breath, and they are just growing like crazy. And that sunflower's done. along with this one. We're gonna cut this one down. That one's got a little more life in it, along with the real tall one. I was real happy with the way that one grew. So many sunflowers on it. And here is the ones I planted a couple weeks ago. They're coming up. So we may just get some sunflowers along this path again. And I've got to be real careful because we have got spider webs everywhere. We got more beans to pick.
And we got new blooms.
But look at these bush beans. They are absolutely gorgeous. And look here. Got beautiful flowers. Always did like the flowers of bush beans. Such a beautiful color of purple. Hey James, we have got a huge grasshopper.
Oh, I see.
See him?
Yep.
Let me pan in a little bit. You see him right there? Yeah, we're gonna have to get that out of there. Okay, James is gonna try to get in there and get that huge grasshopper. Oh, he got him. Looky there. That's a big one. That'll eat your plants. Okay, y'all, we're gonna move on to the carrots. They're growing pretty good. Oh my. Look how pretty this Cosmo is. And here is our cantaloupe. It's getting big. And the other one's still down there. But the other ones that James pointed out the other day, they didn't develop, and I'm perfectly happy with that. See, it's this one here. It turned yellow, so it can come off.
There's another one above it turned yellow.
Well, I'll find it and we'll take it off. That way more energy will go into growing this one and the one down below.
It's right there.
Now over here we got to pick green beans again. We've already donated 2 gallons that we've got this year. Well, I should say we donated more in the spring. Detroit beets are doing good. Now I think we're going to go ahead and empty these pepper pots. Get them out of here. We're going to use the soil from that to fill some of these raised beds. Man, I can't believe the size of these cosmos. I've just never seen them that big.
Don't shine off yet.
Let's go over here to James. Now here's our strawberry bed. Remember how dead it looked after we transplanted these? Now a few of them did die, and we've got plenty to replace them, but I'm extremely happy with
Oh.
what lived.
We got one that's still blooming.
Yep,
There you go.
Sunny Bubbles will eat that one.
Yeah, we got a few.
Yeah,
other place. I got poor weeds in
yeah, there's a few weeds in there.
here.
Okay, y'all. It's about that time that we're going to trim these down. These are the black raspberries. Now we're going to cut down the old canes, not the new ones that didn't produce this year. Those are the ones that will produce next year. Alright, well, I think that's gonna about do it for this video. So, y'all have a blessed day.